Welcome to the backbone of Bolster Up, the 4 pillars for becoming a happy, healthy human. These 4 pillars are ancient truths, wisdom, backed by modern science. I learned the hard way and through necessity what I am sharing with you. My first introduction to self-actualization was as a freshman in high school. I was drawn into the understanding of Maslow's hierarchy of needs, and to me, the promised success by emphasizing possibility, not pathology. It was an awakening to understand I had more control over the outcome in my life, and it permitted me to think outside my current circumstance. I did not have to live a victim's life. I could choose not to be a victim of circumstance, but create my own. Woohoo! I was ready for greater things for sure, and I know you are too. The 4 pillars are what I use to regain my health and create a life that I love based on my true nature and my responsibility to create. I discovered that if I practiced just a little bit of what I outlined for you in this course, I could be a happy, healthy human. Life could be what I wanted it to be, and that included my restored health. The 4 pillars are thinking, breathing, nourishment, and rest. Before we get started, let's define a happy, healthy human. The good news, no, great news, is that we can alter our state of being, no matter where you are, anytime we choose, by taking responsibility for the dominant creative force we are in our life. We can create a life we love by living our true nature and purpose and enjoy health and vitality. Happiness is just a state of mind, of pleasure, of flourishing, and it's also contentment. Happiness is experienced when we feel safe, satisfied, or successful. Happiness is often expressed with a smile. Happy people have good energy and they feel good. Their needs are met, their values honored. How do we know we are happy? The first clue is found in our body language, and I'm sure you easily recognize a happy face. A smile. It's a great giveaway. It has to be that Bolster Up real deal smile that we mentioned before. The corners of your mouth and eyes must be involved. Skeletal muscles send feedback from facial expressions, which regulates our emotion and experience and behavior. Your brain interprets the positioning of the facial muscles and releases neuropeptides to help fight off stress. Then other neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins are let loose. Pretty cool, huh? See, Mother Teresa was right. You never know the good a simple smile can do. A bit more on happiness. I disagree that our sole goal in life should be to be happy. Feeling good? Yes. However, feeling good or feeling better doesn't always equate to feeling happy. I give you and all my clients full permission to express all emotions. Sometimes it feels better to be mad or frustrated as opposed to being stuck in despair or resentment. Healthy. Let's talk about health. Let's define that. Health is not just the absence of disease, but complete mental, physical, and emotional well-being. Well-being is the term I like to use most as it encompasses all of you. If you find yourself in a current state of unhealthy, that's okay. It's just a temporary assessment. It is a marker of your current place on the map. Many have recovered from simple illnesses or injury, and some have recovered from more severe, debilitating states of ill health. They traveled to a new spot on the map, if you will. Again, it is essential to assess what you want and where you are right now. Your health, like your happiness, is subject to change. Human. Being human is more than belonging to the Homo sapiens. Being human is more in line with what Carl Linnaeus said. who coined the term from Latin meaning wise man. Being human is being compassionate, sympathetic, generous, and forgiving. Unlike other mammals, animals, or life forms that we know of, human beings are unique. We are unique because we can imagine, reflect, and create thoughts. Being a happy, healthy human feels good, has internal control of their reflections and imagination, and is willing to make deliberate choices. A happy, healthy human is satisfied with what is now, but eager for more. Are you ready? I sure bet you are. Let's get into the 4 pillars by starting at the top. I can't wait to see you in our next lesson.